Did you know that even a 1-second delay in page load speed can cause up to 11% fewer page views? Page speed is one of the biggest factors in maintaining user engagement and conversion. Page speed significantly impacts user experience and conversion rates, with even small delays leading to increased website bounce rates. Improving website performance involves 3 areas: optimizing hosting, reducing file sizes, and improving code quality. Fast-loading websites rank higher on Google, as page speed is a critical ranking factor, especially for mobile searches. What are the steps to measure page speed and diagnose performance issues? Measuring page speed helps you identify what is slowing down your website and provides direction for optimization. Page speed refers to how quickly your website content loads and becomes usable. It is all about how quickly a visitor can start interacting with your website. A page may appear to load quickly, but it can still feel slow if buttons, videos, or images take time to respond. That is why website performance is not defined by a single metric. It is about the overall user experience. There is a difference between page speed and website speed. Page speed measures how quickly an individual page loads, while website speed reflects the overall performance of your website. Since every page behaves differently, measuring website speed is a more complex process. Essentially, if most pages on your site perform well in terms of Core Web Vitals, the site is fast. Core Web Vitals are 3 key Google metrics that evaluate the user experience on a website, focusing on its speed, stability, and interactivity. These metrics include largest contentful paint (LCP), loading main content, interaction to next paint (INP), responsiveness to interaction, and cumulative layout shift (CLS), visual stability. Optimizing these metrics is important for a website's ranking in Google search results. Largest contentful paint (LCP) measures how long it takes for the main content of your page to load. Aim for an LCP under 2.5 seconds for a smooth loading experience. Interaction with next paint (INP) replaces the older input lag metric and measures how quickly your site responds to user interactions, such as taps, clicks, or keystrokes. An INP score under 200 milliseconds ensures your site is responsive and intuitive. Total Layout Slip (CLS) tracks how consistent your content remains when loading. Shifting elements on the screen can be frustrating for users, so keep CLS below 0.1 for a consistent visual experience. In the case of Core Web Vitals report issues, here's what to do. To reduce load times if your LCP is slow, try compressing images, serving WebP, lazy loading, or upgrading hosting. To improve a high INP score, reduce long JavaScript execution, minimize unused scripts, and avoid blocking the main thread. To avoid a poor CLS score, set fixed dimensions for media to prevent layout shifts. A high TTFB impacts load speed, even though it is not a core web vital. To improve server performance, use caching, and consider using a CDN. Faster load times, consistent layouts, and faster interactions directly contribute to a smoother experience users value and search engines reward. Tools for measuring and analyzing your website performance. Google PageSpeed Insights is a free tool from Google that provides both lab data, simulated results, and field data, real user experiences. It evaluates your page's core web vitals, highlights problem areas, and even offers suggestions in the Opportunities section to improve load times. Google Search Console Page Experience Report. The Page Experience section gives you an overview of how your URLs are performing for both mobile and desktop users. It groups together URLs that are failing core web vitals, helping you determine whether you need to improve your LCP, FID, or CLS scores. Lighthouse in Chrome DevTools. Lighthouse is a built-in Chrome monitoring tool that measures page speed, accessibility, SEO, and best practices. It's perfect for developers who want deeper insights into what's affecting their site's performance. Web Page Test lets you test your site's performance across networks, locations, and devices. The waterfall view shows exactly when each element on your site is loading, perfect for identifying slow resources or performance delaying scenarios. Chrome Developer Tools Network tab. If you're hands-on, Chrome DevTools is your real-time lab. Open your site, press F12, and watch each resource load. It's perfect for debugging and understanding what's going on behind the scenes.